Okay, behind me I have the DEWALT table saw. So I'm going to show you how to use that so that you can do all the projects that you need at home. Alright, so first you have your power, which is right here. This lever right here moves your blade up and down. So winding it to the left moves it down, and winding it to the right moves it up. This right here is your lever at cutting angles, right? So you can pull this up, you can lock it into place. You can see the blade here at the top is now at kind of that's a 40-degree angle right there. So to release that, lift up. To lock it into place, you push it down. Okay, at the top here, this is the plate that you'll run your wood across to keep it measured to the correct thickness that you'd like it. There's two notches right here, one, and you can't see this other one, but it's underneath here, right here. Okay, so if I have this guard on this notch, it's going to follow the measurements of this yellow ruler measuring tape up here. Okay. So what I've done on that side you can't see is this little notch right here goes on top of that circle. This clamp goes down, push it down, and it locks it into place, okay? So this extra notch extends the table measurements another 4 inches that you wouldn't get otherwise. So on this side, there's a lever right here. Push it down to lock this rail from sliding, but to release it, lift it up. Now you can twist this right here to move this whole contraption across. So if I want to make, let's say, a 6-inch cut, okay, I am going to make sure that red line is lined up. There's my 0, which means that is flush with the rail for the guard. So if I want it 6 inches wide, I'm going to twist this knob all the way till I get to 6 inches right there. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to push this lever down and I'm going to lock this into place. This will allow me to slide the wood through that I need and make a cut. And that wraps up the basic uses of the table saw. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe.